And it goes a little something like.
Mom, that took forever. Why couldn't we have just taken the car? Yeah, that was so long. I felt like my legs were gonna fall off. Girls, the car is in the shop. And besides, it wasn't that long at all. It was just a 2-minute walk. Yeah, you guys are being like really dramatic. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are just going to Willow Tree Park for something to do. The kids are going back to school tomorrow for the 3rd week. And today we're just hoping that it doesn't rain because we did walk here because our car is in the shop. Mom, you can't talk to the camera all day. Anyway, where do you want me to set this up? You're right, let's go grab our spot over there on the grass. Okay, why don't you put our blanket right over there so we can set up on it. Okay. That's good, thank you. Hey Maddie, do you want to go play down by the river? I don't really feel like it though. Come on Maddie, what else are we gonna do? Okay, fine. I'll go down to the river with you. Hey, Willow, I bet you can't touch the water. Sure I can. Watch me. Okay, good. I just want to know how cold the water is. Okay. Oh my gosh, I fell in the water. Oh no, what is Mom gonna say? Oh. Maddie, what are you doing? Why'd you jump in with me? Well, what if Mommy knows that I was the reason you fell in? I don't want her knowing, and I could get in a lot of trouble. Oh my gosh, why are you girls in the water? Maddie told me to touch it. We both fell in by accident, and it's all okay. We just need to come out because we're very, very cold. Well, you girls shouldn't have fell in. You shouldn't have been so close by the river. Okay, let's get you girls dried off because it looks like you're very cold. And, you guys look very, very wet. It's okay, Mommy. Maddie just told me to touch it. We both fell in by accident, remember? Okay, well, it doesn't really matter. Let's get you girls dried off. Why don't we get away from the river for a little bit? Okay, fine. Okay, well, let's head back to the mat. I'm gonna see if I can find you girls some towels. Why are the twins soaking wet? Apparently they were playing by the river and they fell in. Ooh, that's rough. I don't think we have any towels. Oh my gosh, Mommy, we're scared. There's thunder. It's okay, girls. Don't worry about it. We're gonna go and get packed up. Okay, I'm gonna go grab the twins. Jade, you pack up the mat so we can go. Girls, it's okay. We're gonna get home. No need to worry. Okay, I think everyone should have a nice warm bath and get changed to some warm clothes. Sure, I'll go do that. Okay, I think Willow and Maddie should go first though, just because you tend to take like a little bit longer with your showers, just so we can get it done. Dib's going first, but I wanted it. Too bad. Now I'm gonna go and make dinner. By the time I'm done making it, the kids should be down from their showers, so we can eat when they get down. Now I'm just gonna put Aurora and Oliver in their little high chairs, because I'm gonna be making their dinner too. So now I'm just going to go and chop some ingredients. I just turned the stove on, so it'll be ready when I'm done. And I'm going to be doing like tomatoes for the sauce and add some cheese. Also, this knife is really high quality, so I definitely recommend using it. Alright, I'm done chopping the vegetables, and now I'm gonna go put the pasta on. What do you want to wear for pajamas? Let's wear those cute pink ones over there. Okay. Okay, let's head downstairs and see what Mommy made. Yeah, let's go. What should I wear? Ooh, I think this outfit looks really cute and cozy. Okay, let's put this one back. And I'm just gonna take this flower out of my hair because it was just like for decoration. Alright, now I'm gonna go downstairs to see what my mom made for dinner. She told me she was making bacon pasta, so I'm really excited because that's my favorite thing. Oh, someone's at the door. Oh, hi girls. Daddy, you're home. Had to come home early from work today because there was a big storm. Yeah, we experienced it too. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get changed, okay? Okay, we'll see you when dinner's ready. Wow, looks really good. Thank you. Why is your dad home early? Oh, because of the storm. Alright, well now is usually when I will get the kids to bed, but it's very chaotic, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and sorry I've been a bit late with posting. I've just been really busy, so sorry about that. I'll be trying to post more consistently. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!